Hi, this is Teacher Fikri, and today I'm going to teach you on how you can guide your kids to do performing handstand for 10 seconds. So with full and partial physical prompt. So as you may or may not know, prompting means to guide. So how we can guide them to do these tasks, especially for beginners. So make sure to guide them to face body forward, put knees on chair, and then assist them to push body down and here. So we're going to prompt them with full partial physical to make sure their hands straightened instead of like this, like this. So this is the correct way to do handstand, and this is how you can guide them to make sure that they do not flop on the floor or soft padding. It's advisable to use soft padding for safety. And yes, that's how you can make sure that they strengthen their hands with full and partial physical prompt.